The Honda CR-V for the year 2019 model year has earned the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's highest pedestrian detection and crash prevention rating of superior based on new testing of the CR-V's available Honda sensing suite of safety and driver-assistive technologies, which include the award-winning Collision Mitigation Braking System. In previous tests by the IIHS, the CR-V's CMBS was also rated superior for crash avoidance and mitigation.
Collision Mitigation Braking System. In the event of a possible frontal collision, it activates a warning. If the collision is unavoidable, it can help your Honda apply brake pressure. Part of the Honda Sensing Suite.